Uh-oh. What you got, buddy?
Here, let me help you.
What you got?
What is this?
What is it? Is that from Nana and Papa Gray?
Okay, good job.
Oh, man, look at that. What is it? Show Papa what it is.
What is that, Ryan? It's a boat?
Okay. You got a Spider-Man gift over
Look, we
there?
have another gift.
Let's see what's on that Spider-Man, okay?
What's behind you?
Look, right here behind you, right here. Let's open this one.
Oh, this is neato.
Open the big one.
Cool. Neato.
Open the big one. Papa, I'll get the boat out for you.
Ryan, what's this? What's this, Ryan?
Look what that is.
What is this?
Stand up and look at it.
Help Mommy. What is this? What is this, huh? Mom, let's take the bow off. Okay. Hold on. Almost.
What is it, bud?
Hold on. Don't pull it. Hang on. Okay, look. Look, Ryan.
Oh, look, Ryan. What is it?
Oh,
Look what you got.
Spider-Man.
I think this way, bud. Now look what you got. Show him, Mommy, what it is.
I think you said Spider-Man. Spider-Man chair for us to read
See?
books in. It's your seat. Come sit down.
You'll sit in it?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Yay, Ryan.
Yeah, that's cute. Let Mommy take a picture. Ready? Look at Mommy. Ryan, no, look at Mommy. Ryan, look at Mom.
He owns both toys. Ryan, it goes another way, too. You want to see? It folds up and makes a little higher chair.
Yeah, I think that's how it was in the beginning.
Yeah.
Ryan, come on. Let Mommy take a picture. Say cheese.
Look, Ryan.
He likes that boat a lot. Oh, wait, we don't sit on the boat. It's not big enough.
Look, let Papa show you how to fold this up. There you go. Now, there.
Now
Now
it's a
look.
chair.
Now sit down.
Now it's like a
Now
mini
sit down
couch.
in your chair. There you go. You
Hey, look
like
at
that?
Mommy. Look at Mommy. Cheese.
You like your chair? Look, walking like he's crippled.
That's his dance.
All right, we finally got to have our Christmas morning, didn't we?
Yeah?
All right.
He's excited, so he's dancing for you.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
All right, say, tell Papa Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
I don't think he's coming back.
Mandy, you already got all your presents gone and the house cleaned up. It looks nice.
Oh, yeah. Huh? I don't know where Daddy put your... Here, let me give you a cup. I don't know where Daddy...
Merry Christmas 2012.